What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the loss generator before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the loss generator works. What is the loss generator? The loss generator is a digital PDF guide that teaches you step by step how to build your own power generator at home using affordable, easy-to-find materials. The idea is to help anyone, even with no technical experience, generate enough energy to power part or all of their home, significantly reducing or even eliminating their electricity bill. How does it work? The guide was created by an alternative energy enthusiast who, according to the material, based the system on forgotten principles by Nikola Tesla to build a working, self-sustaining energy device. Inside the guide, you'll learn how to build the generator from scratch, what materials are needed, how to install the system safely, how to keep it running long-term, tips on scaling the project for more energy output. The creator claims that the generator can be built in just a few hours using basic tools, and that it runs quietly. Promise benefits: generates clean, free energy, cuts or eliminates your power bill, easy to build with step-by-step instructions, sustainable and eco-friendly, great for emergencies, rural homes, or off-grid living. Is it legit? Yes, as long as you purchase from the official website. The product is delivered as a PDF digital download after payment. Plus, comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, 100% secure checkout, customer support for post-purchase questions. Avoid pirated websites, many offer fake, incomplete, or even virus-infected versions. Where to buy? The loss generator is available exclusively online through the official website. You'll receive instant access to the PDF guide via email, along with bonus content and instructions. It's a one-time purchase, and discounts of up to 75% are often available. Final verdict: is it worth it? If you want to save money on your electricity bill, are looking for energy independence, enjoy the projects, live in a rural or unreliable power area,